Welcome! In today's guide, we're diving into the quick and easy way to share the link of a photo on X, formerly known as Twitter, using the PC app after the latest update. Whether you're looking to show a friend a snapshot, post it somewhere else, or keep it for reference, this method makes things simple and fast. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your PC. Make sure you're signed in so you can access your timeline, saved posts, or any accounts you follow. Once your feed loads, navigate to the photo you want to share. This could be something you've posted yourself or a picture shared by another account. It works the same either way. Next, take a moment to make sure you've found the exact photo you want. Sometimes posts contain multiple images, so hover over the one you're interested in before moving forward. Now, look just below the photo. You'll see a row of icons, each representing different actions. Among them is the share icon. It usually looks like an arrow pointing upward or outward. Click on that icon. A small menu will appear with several options, depending on what you want to do with the content. From the choices provided, select Copy Link. The link to that photo's post is now saved to your clipboard, ready for you to paste wherever you want. With the link copied, you can head over to any platform or app of your choice. Maybe you want to send it in a chat, post it on another social network, or drop it into an email. Simply paste the link, and when someone clicks on it, they'll be taken directly to that photo's post on X. This updated process is quick, clean, and avoids the need to download or re-upload anything. It keeps the original quality intact and ensures the photo stays connected to its original source, keeping credit and context in place. And that's all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you can share any photo's link from X on PC with anyone, anywhere. Try it out the next time you see a post worth sharing. It's the fastest way to spread the moment without losing what makes it special.